Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Salesforce with LinkedIn for managing recruiter conversations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Salesforce with LinkedIn for managing recruiter conversations, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the App Exchange, Salesforce's marketplace for apps and integrations. In the App Exchange search bar, type LinkedIn and hit enter to find relevant applications. Look for the LinkedIn Sales Navigator app, which is specifically designed for this integration. Click on the app to read its details, and then select the Get It Now button. Follow the prompts to install the application in your Salesforce environment. You will need to grant necessary permissions during the installation process, so review them carefully. Once the installation is complete, navigate to the Settings section in Salesforce. Find the LinkedIn Sales Navigator settings within the app's configuration panel. You must now link your LinkedIn account to Salesforce. To do this, click the Connect to LinkedIn button. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and authorize the connection. After successful authentication, return to your Salesforce dashboard. You should now see LinkedIn Sales Navigator features integrated into your Salesforce interface. Navigate to the Leads or Contacts tabs to explore LinkedIn insights linked to your contacts. You can use this integration to manage recruiter conversations more efficiently. Utilize the tools provided to track messages, view profiles, and engage recruiters directly from Salesforce. It's also helpful to customize your Salesforce dashboard to display LinkedIn information prominently. Monitor your interactions and set reminders for follow-ups within Salesforce. Regularly review your settings and permissions to ensure seamless functionality between the two platforms. With these steps completed, you can effectively manage your recruiter conversations using Salesforce and LinkedIn together. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.